the device doesn't charge. First of all, we have to turn off the device. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. This is the external antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the two coaxial antennas. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We remove the sub-motherboard. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process.